So I finally replaced my light switch and dimmer in the kitchen with this Lutron Diva LED dimmer light switch. Why? Because I currently had a Lutron light switch which pretty much just wore out. But let me tell you, it lasted 25 years in the kitchen, which is the first light on when you come home, the first light off when you leave, on and off during the day, a dozen or so times, the dimmer switch on and off, sliding up and down. Can't believe it lasted this long, so I decided to replace it with the same Lutron, just with a newer model. Now, installation, don't take my wiring diagram as a professional. I just do this as a do-it-yourselfer, and it's an old house. So don't look at my wiring and try to duplicate. Figure that out on your own or hire a professional. But for me, it was easy installation. Connect the wires. It comes with all the nuts to connect the wires. It comes with the nice screwless plate that just snaps on and you don't see the little screw holes. So that's pretty cool. Nice, easy button to press. The sliding switch is nice and smooth. Works perfect. Super clean install. It got a little tight putting everything back in the box depending how your wires are set up. I got old wires, like I said, so I had to nudge it in pretty well to get it in there. Like I said, easy install, and I'm good to go for another 30 years, I suppose. So I would put this in your cart and buy with confidence, because Lutron makes a quality switch that is 25 years or more proven in this house.